Hello guys, yes, I am back. I'm trying to record as much as possible before school comes back. I'm back. Now, as you can see, I'm playing Roblox in high school as my account that I was playing past these 2 episodes I've made. Okay, I might play this, I might play this, this account a lot because that's how I am. Okay, so as you can see, we got some red pirate juice, hot chocolate, hot sauce. Can you people get off my table? Let me just find a new table. A table that I can sit alone at. Yeah, this is better, okay. So we got some red pirate juice, hot chocolate, hot sauce, blue raspberry Slurpee, waffle, bubble gum, s'more, ice cream, and fortunate, whatever, cookie. My name's SS because it's based off my actual account name. Okay, so we're gonna try this stuff out. Okay, see what this does. It does nothing. It would naturally do something, because that's how things are half the time. Yeah, I was still How is my character not affected by that? Num num num. S'more. Num num num. Now I gotta wait 15 minutes probably because I'm not going swimming. I just quote unquote ate something. So let's just walk around the place. Let's do some parkour. Do. Okay, that didn't work. I failed, but oh well. I'm not going to care. I already failed. Okay. I need like a skateboard. I can't talk. No. Can't do this to me. How could this happen to me? I made my mistake. Okay, that's an old song, I know, but I don't care. I need to find a way how to get out of here before the next period. This is period 5. I don't need. Okay, this is a big ramp. I can't go on top. Can't go on top of the jump. Why is that? I can go on top. No, I can't go on top, guys. I can't go on top. Why? Okay, we're going to find another way to. Okay, we're going to find. Look at that guy. He's trying to be like me. Oh, what the? Okay then. That's nice to know, sir. Yeah, whatever. You don't really need to give out any of that information, really, because I don't think anyone would really care. At least to me, probably. Hey, look, a car. I'll still get it. If it's not taken, which I think it's gonna be. Ooh, it has plus. I think that's plus. Oh, wait, no. Plus is only from Rip City. I'm done. Oh, what's this? I can buy it. See how much it is, though. Really? That's a nice car, too. But obviously, it's gonna be Robux because that's how everything is. Look, I found the place of places. Of course. Okay, I have no music to listen to, so I'm not gonna. Just gonna. It's already period 5. I'm a piano person. I like pianos. Seriously? You have to pay Robux just to play an instrument on here. That is dumb. That is so dumb. Who would want to waste their money just to do that? Definitely not me, because that's stupid. Can I play the drums? No, I can't. Can't play anything on here. It's not fair. I hate this game. McDonald's. Mom, can we go to McDonald's? We have food at home. I hate this family. Okay. This place is boring. No one's even here except for those two. Let's go bust some online doctors. Online doctor place. Oh, doing police. Okay, I don't know why I'm running around him. Or her. Or someone. Dorms. No one ever should pick me over here. It's a perfect hiding spot. I can buy things. I like some Starbucks, because that's one of my nicknames. Yes, Starbucks is literally one of my nicknames on Amino. Can I click something? Oh my god. Loading dorm. Loading dorm. Ooh. This is nice. A table for one, please. Thanks. Okay, I need another room for going to the bathroom. But of course, I can't have one. Okay, that came out of my mouth. Imagine like you guys never heard that. Okay, this place sucks. Can't do anything in here. And I just paid money for these things, didn't it? This is free? Oh my god. Oh no, it's not. I don't know where to put this. Bed. I really have nowhere to put this, so I'm just gonna put this over here. Because I have nowhere to put anything. Okay, done. Build. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, good color things. Y'all should know why I'm making this pink. Pink is my colors now. If you guys been on my channel for a long time, you know why. Okay, we got that settled. Now let's color everything else like my bed. I want to color this because I think we can. We can color this too. And I didn't even set these up in like a great place. I need a. It's gonna be red because I want it to be. So darling, stay with me because you're all I need. Oh my god, I didn't ask for the legs. I wanna recolor it. Okay, green's good enough. It reminds me of that. Okay, it's beautiful, guys, and I don't care what time it is in day or something like that. I'm gonna find a way how I can go to bed. I can't even go to bed in my own dorm. I know, I didn't want to leave. Okay. Let's go spy on people. Perfect. There's like 1,000 people over here. I can. What is that? Okay then. An ugly dragon. An angel thing. Ugly people. Whatever you are. Red ninja ripoff. Another dragon, and yeah. Then we got that insane dolphin thing, whatever. Vomit. Okay, guys, we're about to witness some. I'm stuck. Okay, we're gonna jump in, guys. Ready? Whee! So cool. You guys probably play this a lot, so it's not gonna be cool. Maybe not to you guys. Oh, that hurts my eyes. Okay, this pool actually hurts my eyes, so. Oh, damn it! Can I get out of here, please? I don't want to be in this pool that hurts my eyes. I'm teleporting then. Skydiving. I'm gonna skydive. Do some skydiving. Oh god. Do I have my parachute? Do I have any type of parachute? I think we just did it. Whee! Let's die, everybody. It was too late. Okay, why did I continuously die? Well, not die, but like reset. Now to think about it, that's literally the same thing. Again. No. Why did I pull this out? Okay, guys, I have a better idea. Let's just do this. It left me. Oh. What just happened? I died out of nowhere. Nowhere. No. It's clear to see. Oh, darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you stay with me? Come on, all on me. It's clear to see, but darling, stay with me. Oh my god, look what I made. We're going down to this camp. Oh yeah, we are. Oh, it's the archery, never mind. Time to get out of here. Okay, let's go. No, you don't understand. I don't want this. Okay, look it over here, and then look it up here. Am I in space? Is up there space, and down here, like, the actual place? I regret pulling this thing so early. Of course I don't want to go again. Why would I? It's a waste of time. No. Oh, dang it. Just trying to, like, get it out of your time. Can I actually fly this time? No, I can't.